Children, how are you? Today I am going to teach English reader of class 4th, chapter 2, The Girls and a Lotus. Kids, do you know that friends are very important in our life? So, this is the story of two good friends, Usha and Lalita. They quarrel over a lotus, but they soon realize their mistake and make up with each other. This story is written by Manoj Das. He is an Indian bilingual writer. So, children, before starting the story, I would like to say something about friend. A friend is a gift you give to yourself. Friends are those people in your life with whom you do not have any blood relation. It's a relation of love and affection towards other people. Your friend is someone with whom you feel comfortable and can easily share your thoughts and feelings. A true friend loves you unconditionally, understands you, and always try to support you and give you good advice. So let's enjoy the story. I'm going to read out the story. On the top of a hill is a beautiful hut. In it lives a wise man. एक पहाड़ी के ऊपर एक बहुत खूबसूरत सा झोपड़ा था और उसमें एक बहुत ही बुद्धिमान आदमी रहते थे. और वो जो झोपड़ा था उसके पास जो आंगन था उसमें एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा पेड़ था. Usha dressed in yellow and Lalita dressed in red enjoyed talking to the wise man. उषा ने पीले कपड़े पहन रखे थे और ललिता ने रेड कलर के, और वो लोग काफ़ी इंजॉय करती थी उस वाइस मैन से बात करते हुए. Every morning the two dear friends watch him decorate the beautiful tree with flowers they bring for him. और हर सुबह वो दोनों फ्रेंड्स उन जेंटलमैन को देखती थी. उनके घर में जो एक खूबसूरत सा पेड़ था उसको वो जो फ्लावर्स लाती थी उषा और ललिता उनके लिए, वो उस फ्लावर को उस पेड़ पे लगाते थे और उस पेड़ को सजाते थे. The wise man talked to the girls every day. He tells them what each flower when offered get for the person who bring it. वो जो वाइस मैन थे वो उन लड़कियों को हमेशा बताते थे, हर दिन बताते थे ये कि वो जो फूल उनके लिए लाती है इसके बदले में फूल भी उन्हें कुछ ऑफ़र करता है. जैसे कि चिल्ड्रन, हम लोग किसी के बर्थडे में जाते हैं और हम लोग वहाँ पे किसी को गिफ्ट देते हैं तो इन रिटर्न हमें भी रिटर्न गिफ्ट मिलता है. तो उसी तरह जब ये लड़कियाँ भी फूल देती थी उनको तो उसके बदले भी वो भी कुछ ऑफ़र करते थे. Then Lalita said, "We have brought roses today." So today they are roses, aren't they? You will get love and peace. The wise man said, "Oh, today you all brought roses. So what you will get from these flowers? You will get love and peace." Then Usha said, "What if I offer lotus?" She said, "If I offer a lotus, then what happened?" Then the man said, the wise man replied, "Lotus, the queen of all flowers. The lotus is the consciousness of the Lord. When you offer a lotus with devotion, you become a better person." After hearing this, Usha became so delighted. Delighted means खुश हो जाना. उषा काफ़ी खुश हो गई. Then Usha feels so delighted and she skipped around joyfully. But Lalita looked puzzled. Why she looked puzzled? She asked her, "But where you will find a lotus?" Then Usha replied, "Remember the old pond on the other side of the hill? I saw a lotus bud there. It should bloom by tonight. I will pluck it tomorrow early morning and bring it here." उषा ने क्या जवाब दिया कि क्या तुम्हें याद है उस पहाड़ी के पास एक छोटा सा तालाब है पुराना, वहाँ पे मैंने देखा था एक लोटस के कली को. तो हो सकता है कि आज रात में वो खिल जाए तो मैं उसे तोड़ के कल सुबह यहाँ ले आऊँगी. Children, see what happened next day. The next day, early in the morning, Usha reaches the pond, but suddenly her heart almost stopped beating. She sees somebody climb out of the pond. It is Lalita and she has the lotus in her hand. Usha hide behind a bush. Lalita quickly begins climbing the hill. Usha is sad that Lalita has not confided in her. What happened? When Usha reached there beside the pond, she saw that Lalita is already present here. और वो क्या हो गई, वो ये देख करके दुखी हो गई कि ललिता तो पहले ही आ चुकी है और उसने फूल भी तोड़ लिया है। और ललिता quickly began climbing the hill, holding back her tear. Usha followed and reflected bitterly on the perfidy of the girl she had considered her friend. उसे बहुत बुरा लगा उषा को कि ललिता ने उसे बताया भी नहीं और वो चुपचाप अकेले आकर के फूल को तोड़ के ले गई। ललिता stand before the wise man. I have brought a lotus. ललिता वहाँ पहुँच गई और उसने कहा कि मैं ये लोटस फ्लावर ले आई हूँ। लोटस वंडरफुल, आई विल पुट द फ्लावर ऑन द ट्री इन योर नेम, इट इज़ उषा, इज़न्ट इट? उस वाइस मैन ने कहा कि क्या तुमने फूल ले आया है? ठीक है, मैं इसे तुम्हारे नाम से उस पेड़ पे लगा देता हूँ। आई कैन नॉट सी क्लियरली एंड ऑलवेज कन्फ्यूज उषा एंड ललिता। उन्होंने कहा कि तुम उषा ही हो ना? मैं हमेशा कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ पहचानने में कि तुम उषा हो या ललिता, क्योंकि मैं सही से देख नहीं पाता हूँ। ललिता डज नॉट आंसर। उषा हु इज़ हाइडिंग एंड पीपिंग फ्रॉम बिहाइंड द बुश कैन नो लॉन्गर कंट्रोल हर टीयर्स। उषा जो ये सब पीछे छिप के देख रही थी, वो अपने आंसुओं को रोक नहीं पाई। क्यों नहीं रोक पाई आंसुओं को? क्योंकि जब उस वाइस मैन ने पूछा कि क्या तुम उषा हो, तो उसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया। इसी वजह से उसे बहुत दुख हुआ कि इसने अपनी सच्चाई नहीं बताई। देन अगेन द वाइस मैन आस्क्ड, इट इज़ उषा? यस यस, प्लीज़ ऑफर द फ्लावर इन द नेम ऑफ उषा। जब वाइस मैन ने दोबारा पूछा क्या तुम उषा ही हो, तो उसने कहा हाँ हाँ, आप ये फ्लावर उषा के नाम से उस पेड़ पे लगा दीजिए। नो, इट इज़ ललिता हु हैज़ ब्राउट द फ्लावर। द उषा शाउटेड फ्रॉम बिहाइंड, इट इज़ ललिता हु ब्राउट द फ्लावर। बोथ द फ्रेंड आर्ग्यू अबाउट पुटिंग द फ्लावर ऑन अदर्स नेम while tears flowed down their cheeks. It means both the friends started argue. I only plucked it, said Lalita, with tears streaming down her cheeks. But the lotus is your property, replied Usha. बच्चे ये दोनों फ्रेंड्स जो थे झगड़ा करने लगे कि नहीं, फूल तुमने लाया, तुम्हारा है। तो दोनों फ्रेंड में बहस शुरू हो गई। आफ्टर दैट द वाइस मैन सेड, I will utter both your name when I offer the lotus. Both you shall grow to be much better person. The gentleman intervened. Never mind. I will utter both your names when I offer the lotus. Don't worry. I will offer your names, both of your names. Because they love each other. So this was the story, kids. I hope you enjoyed. Now I am going to do some exercises related with this chapter. See, first tick the correct answer. A ka first. Where did Usha say she would find a lotus? Option A, from garden, B, pond, or C, forest. Option B, pond is the right answer, so tick here. 2. The wise man always confused Usha and Lalita because option A, he could not see clearly. The girls looked alike. Option C, he used to forget their names. So option A is the right answer. He could not see clearly. So tick this answer. Option B, complete these sentences using your own words. What you have to do, children? You have to complete this sentence in your own words. First, Usha and Lalita enjoyed talking to the wise man. 2. Both the girls watched the wise man, especially in the morning time. 3. The wise man told Usha that when you offer a lotus, you become a better person. Write down in your book. Okay, now I am going to do the question and answer and reference to context, both of it. So write down in your copy. First answer the question. Question 1. Where was the beautiful hut? Answer. The beautiful hut was on the top of the hill. Question 2. Who brought the lotus? What did she tell the wise man? Answer. Lalita brought the lotus. She told the wise man to offer the flower in the name of Usha. Question 3. Which flower did Usha want to offer? Answer. Usha wanted to offer a lotus flower. Question 4. Why was Usha sad? Usha was sad because she thought that Lalita was not confided in her. Now question number 5. Do you think the lotus had made the girls better human beings? Yes, I think the lotus had made the girls better human being. Now come to reference to context. I will pluck it tomorrow early morning. Who said this word to whom? Question A. Who said this word and to whom? Usha said this to Lalita. Option B. Who is it being referred to here? Here it referred to lotus. Question number C. For what purpose did the speaker pluck it? Answer. The speaker plucked it because the wise man told her that if they offer lotus, they will become a better person. So children, the chapter is finished. Now what you have to do? You have to write the answer question in your copy and also do the exercises related with this chapter. Okay, this is your homework. So do it. I will come again with another chapter. Thank you.